We're at the campground today and I'm going to be looking at this 2-pack of flame speakers. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo these for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have 2 speakers, the instruction manual, 2 8-inch stakes, 2 charging cables, 2 tree mounts, and 2 hooks to hang these, as well as the hardware. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do you put the extenders on these stakes? Because once you screw them into the base, you can't really put these extenders on, but I will show you. The stake comes packaged connected to the extender piece that you need to make these taller. All you need to do is pull it out and then you can add the extenders. Then just push them into the ground and turn them on. Once you power them on, it's automatically going to start the pairing mode. Go into your phone and pair them, and then to sync them together, you hit the Bluetooth button on one, and then you go and hit the Bluetooth button on the other one. They call this the parent and the child. The speakers will then work in conjunction with each other, so they will work at the same time. Due to Amazon's new terms, I cannot share any music with you, but these did work and they look fantastic at night. They have multiple flame settings. All you have to do to switch the flame settings is touch the flame button on the top. This is the flame flicker setting, and then there is a solid setting as well. Personally, I like the flicker setting because it reminds me of an actual campfire. If you are looking for some really nice speakers for your outdoor area or to bring with you camping, I would highly recommend these flame speakers.